27 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0 0, 4 times 1 4, 4 times 2 8, 4 times 3 12, 4 times 4 16, 4 times 5 20, 4 times 6 24. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just add 4 with the previous step. 0 plus 4 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 4 24. 4 goes into this 2. How many times? 0 times, as 2 is less than 4. So 0 times 4, 0 times 4, that gives you 0. Subtract to bring down this digit 27. 4 goes into 27 how many times? 4 times 7 28, which is greater, so 6 times. Write 6. 6 times 4 24. Subtract, you are getting 3. Okay, so this will be our remainder. Our answer is 0 6 means 6, remainder 3. Now to write the answer in decimal form, write here decimal, then add number of zeros, bring down the first zero, but before the zero there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? Looks 8 times 32, which is greater, so 7 times, that gives us 28. Right, 7 times 4 28. Subtract to bring down this 0. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 4 goes into 25 times. 5 times 4 20. Subtract, you are getting 0. So our answer is 6.75, and this is the quotient or result.